Hello and welcome to Maker Mondays with Harris County Public Library. Today we'll create some fun and festive holiday ornaments. These are the perfect craft for kids and can be as simple or complex as you'd like. Here's what you'll need for this craft. 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of table salt, 1/3 cup of water, a whisk and a bowl, parchment paper, a rolling pin, cookie cutters, and things like ribbon and paint to decorate your ornaments. First, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the flour and salt in a bowl, then slowly pour in water while mixing. Small clumps should form, but it won't combine completely. Next, take the mixture out of the bowl and knead for about 5 minutes. If it has difficulty sticking together, add small amounts of water as you go. Your dough should mix into a smooth ball. Next, roll your dough onto parchment paper until it is about 1/8 of an inch thick. This recipe can also be doubled to create more ornaments. Once it's rolled flat, cut out your ornament shapes with cookie cutters. Remember to cut out a small hole to hang your ornament from. Here we used a straw to cut the hole. Next, transfer your ornaments to a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for 1 hour or until hard. Let them cool, then tie a ribbon around your ornaments to hang them. Next, you can decorate them however you want. Here we used paints, glitter, we even used food coloring to color our dough. To make your ornaments last forever, coat them in Mod Podge or spray clear coat. Thanks for joining us for Maker Mondays, and let us know what you create with your ornaments by posting to our Facebook page or tagging us on Instagram with the hashtag HCPLMadeIt. And remember to join us every Monday for more Maker fun. Until then, stay inspired at your local Harris County Public Library.